Hey everyone! Today, we learn a quick trick in Premiere Pro, the transform effect. This is a super easy way to add smooth zooms and movements to your videos. Let's jump in. First, go to the effects panel on the right, type transform, and just drag it onto your video clip. Once you've added it, head up to Effect Controls. Now, here's where the fun begins. You'll see options for position, scale, and even rotation. All tools for animating your clip. To start, let's set up a basic zoom effect. At the beginning of the clip, click the stopwatch icon next to scale. Now, move a few seconds forward in the timeline and increase the scale value a little. You'll see Premiere Pro automatically creates a smooth zoom-in effect. For an extra touch, go down to Shutter Angle, uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle, and set it to around 180. This will add some natural-looking motion blur. And here's our final result. Just a few clicks to create a professional-looking movement. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe for more beginner tips in Premiere Pro.